Welcome to English class. Today I am going to teach you English of Standard 8, Section 1, Traveling Through Time. That part 1 you already studied. Now we start the part 2 of that lesson. Have you remember the story? That the first time the traveler told about his friends about a time machine, and the time traveler told them that he wished to conduct a scientific verification of that experiment. Then he invented only this model of the time machine. Then at last the time traveler himself pressed the lever that sent the model into the future. Then after this, what happened? Then it was gone, and one of the candles of the mantle was blown out. Mantle here means shelf above the fireplace. Candle and the little machine suddenly swung round and became indistinct. Indistinct means at this time the machine cannot be seen. And as an eddy, a faintly glittering brass of ivory, and it was gone, vanished. Then after this, the movement of the machine increased. Then after some time, the machine was vanished. Vanished means disappeared. Save for the lamp, the table was bare, and except we can see on the table, the lamp only. At the time machine cannot be seen. Then what happened? Everyone was silent for a minute. The psychologist recovered from his stupor and suddenly looked under the table. Stupor here means unable to think or hear. Psychologist. Then at that time, traveler laughed and cheerfully. Then psychologist looked under the table. Then at seeing this, time traveler was very laughed. Well, what do you think of my invention, sir? He said. Then at this time traveler asked him, what do you think of my invention? We stared at each other. We looked at each other. Then look here, said the medical man. Are you earnest about it? Earnest here means, serious? Are you serious about this? Do you seriously believe that machine has traveled into time? Machine travel, certainly, said the time traveler. Yes, the time travelled. What is more, I have a big machine nearly finished is there. He indicated the laboratory. When that is put together, I mean to have a journey on my own account. Then I also found a big machine that was nearly finished. Then you mean to say that the machine has travelled into future? Said Philby. Then at this time Philby asked him, you say that the machine was travelled into future? Really it travelled into future? Into the future or past. It travelled into future or past. I don't. For certain, no which. And we sat and stared at the vacant table for a minute. Would you like to see time machine itself? Asked the time traveller. Time machine time traveller. He led the way down long draughty corridor of his laboratory. Then he led them into the corridor of his laboratory. Draughty here means uncomfortable corridor. That way was uncomfortable. That was led into this laboratory. I remember vividly how you followed him, puzzled and incredulous. Incredulous means not able to believe. We cannot believe at this time also. How there in the laboratory we beheld a large edition of little mechanism which we had been vanished before our eyes. And parts of the nickel, parts of ivory, parts of the certainly been filed or sewn on the rock of crystals. There they see a part of ivory, part of some crystal, etc. Then the thing was generally complete, but the twisted crystalline bars lay unfinished upon the bench beside some sheets of drawings, and I took one up for a better look at the quartz hard, it seemed look. Then some type of a hard metal was there on the table. But I cannot be believed. And did you really build this yourself? The psychologist demand. ഇതെല്ലാം നിങ്ങൾ തന്നെ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയാണെന്ന് സൈക്കോളജിസ്റ്റ് വീണ്ടും ചോദിക്കാം. The time traveler pointed. I did. Here is a saddle like a thing is where the time traveler will sit when he set out his journey through the time. Saddle like a, this is like a leather seat that he sets the journey through this time. Look here, said the medical man. Are you perfectly serious? Or this is a trick like that ghost you showed the Christmas? അതായത് ക്രിസ്മസിലൊക്കെ കാണിക്കുന്ന ഗോസ്റ്റിനെ പോലെ, അതായത് ട്രിക്കാണോ ഇത്? സത്യത്തിൽ ഇതൊരു ട്രിക്കാണോ? യെസ്, said Philby. അതെ, don't tell us that you actually intended to use the fantastic machine. Fantastic machine ഒരിക്കലും ഉപയോഗിച്ചില്ല. Indeed, said the time traveler, holding the lamp aloft upon that very machine I intended to explore time. Is that a plane? I was never more serious in my life. ഇല്ല, that is not a explore. It was only because he said that I was never serious in my life. ഇതെല്ലാം ഒരു ട്രിക്ക് പോലെ ഉള്ളൂ. So none of us quite knew how to take it. പക്ഷെ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് അപ്പോഴും വിശ്വസിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല അദ്ദേഹം ആ മെഷീൻ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചോ ഇല്ലയോ എന്നുള്ളൂ. That's about this class. Our time traveling through time is over. Okay, you read it well and find the question answers also.